Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone in Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the icon with two profiles just below the list of your friends. Now click on the profile of the person that you wanna block. Now in order to block someone, you'll have to unfollow them first. Now click on the icon just beside the gift icon, and if you're sure, click on the OK button. So that is how you can block someone in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.